Do you have a mobile phone? If so, you can get started on making money online even if you have never done so until now.
In this video, I'm going to show you 3 of the best free mobile apps that pay you instant and free PayPal money online in 2021. These apps work worldwide, and make sure you comment the country you live in down in the comment section below. In that way, I'll know exactly where you're from, so I can make more tutorials just like this in the future that will work in your country. And before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel with notifications on. It's totally free and you can change your mind anytime, guys. And when you do so, I'll notify you whenever I have a brand new strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it and make the most of it. And by the way, guys, for these strategies you don't have to spend any money, as well as you don't have to purchase any of these apps, and these apps will pay you in passive income. It's so simple to use, but make sure you stick with me until the end of this short video so you won't miss out on any important and even simple steps that will ruin the whole money making procedure. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So first you have to come over to userfield.com. This is an app I reckon many of you didn't even know existed until today. Userfield is an app that you can test various websites and apps and get paid. The way this works is basically companies from all over the world will need someone to test their websites or apps in order to find any sort of problems or bugs in their websites or apps. So these companies will pay userfield.com, and Userfield will pay everyday people like you and me for testing these websites or apps. You don't need any skills or knowledge or even any experience to test these guys. This is so simple, and that's precisely why this is the first app I'm showing you today. So if you scroll down, you can see the qualified testers from all over the world. There are about 130,000 qualified testers. You can see some of their profiles over here. And Userfield is trusted by over 200 organizations such as TripAdvisor, Rakuten, 99 Designs, and many more, guys. You can go through these companies. These are top level companies in the world. You can watch some examples over here. You can click these and go through these sites. And Userfield is a multilingual usability and user testing tool. Test any site in any language. Our panel consists of more than 130,000 testers speaking 40 languages. This is for the companies, so when they see these, they will definitely reach userfield.com. And this for you, user testing on any device. They can be tested on desktop, mobile, or tablet. Testing with both their app and an external camera allows us to test websites or applications on Android, iPhone, or iPad. So in this case, we are talking about their app. And if you scroll down, you can see the features of these. I'm not getting your time to read all of these. And to get started, you have to scroll all the way down and go to this tester FAQ. And here it says become a tester and earn $10 per test. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and it's completed with our home computer or smartphone. So you can read the following instructions and watch the example video to understand what their customers are looking from a tester, guys. So you can spend some time, a couple of minutes, and read these instructions, and I'll run through with the most important tips, okay? Do testers need to buy products or services from the websites they test? The answer is no. You may be asked to go through the checkout process of online stores, but most of the time the scenarios will ask you to stop before clicking on the final submit button. In any case, you should not enter your real credit card details while performing a test, guys. And this is important, guys. What equipment do I need to be a tester in order to test websites and get paid? You need to have Windows or Mac computer, or if on Windows, you need to have Windows 7 or newer. Your computer also needs to have a microphone, either internal or external. If you need to buy an external microphone, even the cheapest one selling around will be $2. And this is to get qualified for this. Even here also you can use fake details while conducting a test. They're talking about when you test a particular website, you don't need to give your actual details. You can give some fake details because they just want to test those websites, guys. And there's another thing, you have a qualification test. The qualification test is the initial test each new tester needs to take in order to verify that they have a microphone and that they can speak their thoughts while completing tasks. Based on this qualification test, testers receive the first rating that will determine if and how often they will get to do paid usability tests. There is no payment for the qualification test, guys. So you need to go through a small qualification test in order to become a tester out here. After that, you can use your mobile phone, use their app and start taking the tests, guys. And you know everything about this, but you have to know the withdrawal options, guys. For each test you conduct after the initial qualification test, you get paid $10. So $10 per each test. It will only take about 20 minutes or less to complete a test, and you receive payment after approval about 1 week after the test via PayPal or Amazon gift cards. You can set your preferred form of payment in your profile. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can open at www.paypal.com, and for those of you who don't have PayPal withdrawals in your country, you can get paid via gift cards in this case, guys. And in order to get started, you can scroll all the way down and hit this become a tester button and complete this simple form. You can change your country of residence. You can see this works worldwide. See the countries it supports. Choose your demographic profile, gender, language, family status and all, and devices available for testing, whether you have desktop or laptop, Android phone. You can choose the device you got, iPhone, tablet, iPad, Apple Watch, other smartwatches, IP camera, and you can start making money at userfield.com. And guys, moving on to the second app, and this is one of the best rated apps of this kind that I've seen out there, guys. This is already moneyapp.org. Complete simple offers and earn money, and you can find their app on Apple App Store and Google Play Store, guys. And guys, this is what you'll find in Apple App Store, and you can see it's totally free and no in-app purchases at all. And see the rating, guys, it's 4.9 out of 5 and it has over 124,000 ratings. So this proves that this is a great and a legit app that can and will get you paid. You'll get paid by completing various tasks they have to offer, which will earn you credits, which will then exchange for money. It's so simple, guys. And by the way, guys, I really hope you are getting a value out of this video. If so, like this video, leave a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. And coming back to the video, you can download this app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store and start making money. And let's find out the third app that will pay you today, and it is honeygain.com. It's already honeygain.com. Passive income effortlessly. With Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Now, don't worry, guys. Honeygain is a perfect way to earn passive income online. Yeah, it's kind of different compared to the previous apps, guys. Here you'll be making money by sharing your internet. And as I said earlier, don't worry, your security is not in risk or anything, guys. Earn without compromising security. Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks for or gains access to the storage of your device. So they don't use your data whatsoever. They only use your internet traffic, and that's with the people they trust, guys. And if you want to learn more, hit this button and learn more about honeygain.com, and you can know exactly what your internet is used for once you start. Your devices act like weave towers and help world famous businesses access to the World Wide Web without having to worry about location based restrictions or censorship. And there are 5 steps to Honeygain. Set it up. Honeygain can be installed on any Windows, Linux, Mac OS or Android device with a stable internet connection, and run Honeygain. Once active, Honeygain securely shares your internet connection, never gaining access to your personal data. Let it gather. Honeygain uses your internet connection to gather bits of information that's publicly available online, and it will help businesses buy that, and you'll get paid via PayPal or Bitcoins. Guys, I have to tell you, this app does not pay big money. The money you'll get paid will depend on your internet connection. But this is a passive income method that requires no work at all. You just have to download the app and just run it in the background. That's all, guys. So if you have any questions, comment down below, and don't forget to comment down your country, share this with your mates, subscribe, like it. Thanks for watching.